What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to use Gling AI for faceless videos. Open Gling AI and add your raw audio file, then select continue, then choose what you would like Gling AI to do. Cut silences, cut bad takes, remove filler words, enhance audio, or smart speakers editing. Once you have selected your options, then select enhance and edit. Once Gling AI has completed processing your audio, you will see a transcript has been created. So you can see some words and sentences have been removed from my audio. If you need to fine tune your audio, you can go down to the track and trim it manually, or you can select words in the transcript and delete it. When you delete words or sentences in the transcript, it will also delete it in the audio file. Once you have completed editing your audio, you can then export it and add B-roll or use it in further post-editing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.